am a queen in all my glory, writing my own story. Bow down world and see my reign, for I am a queen again.
Okay, so again, let me clarify you. It is not creative costume. It is national costume.
Municipality of Labrador? Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Are we talking about cultural and festival costume? Yes, I'm right. Because this is a part of our culture. Once again, this is Julia Pantaleon, proudly representing Barangay Magsaysay!
Thank you very much to our deputy superintendent.
Let's get out.
Wala akong naririnig na palakpakan. Salamat po. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, good evening. Once again, this is Mako Quintas na nag-iiwan at nagsasabi, hindi man ako singganda nila, singbata nila, wala akong payat at hubog na pangangatawan. Pero sa patimpalak na ito, may tsabing trans na tatata. Once again, Mako Quintas, proud to represent Tubuan!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. He is your
Saan ka punta? Broom broom? Tama, mga uto-uto. Many has been part of history, but only you can bend history itself. Hello, hi, mabuhay. I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, being nice to people you hate is not being plastic. It's called respect and making yourself educated. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala ho bang iyawan dyan? Mayor, wala ho bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. My name is NK Vito, 21. Proud to represent Barangay Luyagko, Barangay Bungalon. Na nagsasabi, if you have it, show it. Nang mamatay sila sa iget. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Once again, is your candidate number 8. Nice.
Mga bakla, luma na yon. Ito ang bago. Eh! Sabay-sabay tayo. Ito ang bago. Eh! Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Standing in front of you is Maricar Palma, a 24 young starter and proudly representing our own barangay, Barangay Dulig, na nag-iiwan ng katagang. Always choose person who do have respect, because respect is more than love. And I thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax, enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Again, she is your candidate number 9.
Hello, everyone. Shimmering like the Philippine seas, I emerge as a majestic mermaid embodying the Filipina beauty and spirit of our islands. Good evening, Labradorians. This is Sir Angge Bulata, but tonight, to allow me to stand by the name, ang kontiserang hinahangaan at pinapalakpakan sa gantong patimpala ni Lars Pacheco. Miss Lars Pacheco na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, if you have it, show it. Dead pa sa mga inggit. And I thank you.
Thank you very much to candidate number 10.